Checking the video conference personal kit back in, double check we've got the box with no damage and it still has our Brooks Hire labellings on it. Open up the box, make sure we've still got the eggshell foam. First we need to check the webcam, make sure there's no damage to the webcam or the foot, that we still have our markings and the Velcro tie. And we need to check the Sennheiser mic headset, make sure the mic is moving freely and there's no damage to the boom. Make sure there's no damage to the ear pads. Have a quick look at the cable and make sure there's no damage to the cable. Once you're happy with that, that can be folded up. And when we pop it away, we just need to make sure that none of the cables get trapped in the edge of the box. Once that's done up, that's ready again for rehire.